Hey guys! Welcome back to FoneLab Studio. Samsung phones are one of the leading cell phone brands. It is durable, and it lasts long other than other phone devices. However, just like any other phone, it faces system issues like slow functions, lagging, and frozen screens once worn out and out of storage. If you are a Samsung user, it probably annoys you when your device has come to experience a frozen screen and won't turn off. So to help you with your problem, we will share the 3 easy methods to repair your Samsung phone that won't turn off. Let's begin with method 1. If you are looking for a way to fix your Samsung that won't turn off, use FoneLab Broken Android Data Extraction. This software can fix various issues on several devices professionally. But feel free to use the word professional, as this tool doesn't require you to gain advanced knowledge to run it. You only need to follow a few easy steps, and the FoneLab Broken Android Data Extraction will do the complex processes for you. This tool supports most Samsung Galaxy, Samsung Galaxy Tab, and more. To use this tool, visit www.fonelab.com/brokenandroidphonedataextraction or go to the description and click the link provided. Download this tool, and we will show you how to repair your Samsung that won't turn off. Once you download the tool, open it. On the tool's main interface, 3 features resolve Android issues. Among them, choose the Broken Android Data Extraction. After that, there are 2 categories that you will choose depending on what your device needs. On the left side, if your device is in the state of the categories provided, click the Start button to fix your Samsung. Meanwhile, click the Start button on the other side if your device is damaged. Choose the info of your device from the 2 drop-down menus, device name and model. Make sure the information you select matches your Samsung phone, or else it might cause another damage. Comply with the on-screen guide carefully to enter the download mode. After that, the program will save a matching recovery package from repairing your phone's issue. Finish it until your device finally functions appropriately. With that, you can fix your Samsung frozen screen. You can also fix your Samsung that won't turn off without using any third-party tool. By performing a hard restart on your device, it can be fixed. Samsung phones or devices usually freeze when too many apps open simultaneously. When this happens, you sometimes need to force it to restart for it to function again. To do this, press the volume down key plus power key for over 7 seconds. Continue holding until the device finally restarts. However, if the problem is still there, try the other methods. Lastly, you will enter the Android recovery mode on the 3rd method. Running the Android recovery mode on your Samsung phone is one of the primary repair methods when experiencing issues on an Android phone. You can use the options there to solve the problem. Follow the steps to apply this method. First, push and hold the power key, then while keeping the power key depressed, press the volume up key once. Your phone will then enter the Android recovery mode. Once you are in, try the options, such as Reboot System Now, Wipe Data Factory Reset, Wipe Cache Partition, etc. These options could fix the problem with your Samsung phone. With these methods, you can fix your Samsung frozen screen that can't turn off. However, FoneLab Broken Android Data Extraction is the best tool for you if you are looking for a success rate to fix your Samsung issues. This software can fix various issues on several devices professionally. So, what are you waiting for? Get FoneLab Broken Android Data Extraction now. We hope this video helps you. For more videos, visit our channel, FoneLab Studio. And remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.